What's up, guys? I'm back again with another video. Today is my bike check. Sorry about that, but today's the bike check video, so there we go. I ain't done one in a while. I really haven't got no new parts or nothing. I mean, the reason why I'm making this one is because I messed up on the date of this bike. This is a 2011. Yes, 2011 Haro 500.3. So, purple. Don't be worrying about the cars that go by, but oh well. I just got to do another video, so I thought I'd update you. So, yeah. Don't worry about that junk in the back, but so Haro 500.3, 2011. So let's start with the grips. Grips are ODI Stay Strongs. A guy got into a crash or a wreck or something, so they made grips that said Stay Strong. On you little stupid iPhone focus. So ODI Stay Strongs with, and purple of course, my bike's purple. ODI bar ends. Nylon, light nylons. Haro chromoly bars. I don't know what the rise is on them. I think it's 825 maybe. I think what I read. 825 I think rise. Width, really don't know. I measured it. Stock Haro stem. Not top load, but front load. Want to get me a better stem eventually, so. And Haro bikes. Next, we have the Alienation plain rim. Pretty good rim. Ain't never had problems with it. It's probably not the best, but I ain't never had any problem with it, so it's good. So, and then the one in the back is an Alienation sheep back rim. Laced up two-way cassette stock Haro hub, 14mm. Came with the hub guard connected to it. I'm gonna get me a different rim because it could be heavy. Don't know, don't care. Want something better. Odyssey Aiken tires. Front are 225, and the back is 1.90 or 1.95 or something. Odyssey. Oh, here we go. Odyssey Aiken, 20 times 2.25. Back, Odyssey Aiken, 20 times 1.90. 14mm hub. 14mm hub. 3/8, I'm sorry. 3/8. Chromoly forks. Yeah. 20.5 inch top tube. Sorry about that. 500.3. Next, we've got the Haro 25-2 sprocket. Haro recycled PC pedals, black, not the clear kinds. Reflectors suck. Messed up one of the reflectors up on that pedal. On this one, oh, there you go. Wait, is that it? Let me get to it. See, I took the top of it off. Right there, chipped off the top. So, 3-piece chromoly cranks. Stock Haro bottom bracket. 4 steel pegs, 14mm, 14mm back, both 3/8 and 3/8 in front. Next, we've got the stock Haro seat post. Then we got the Haro stitched pivotal seat with the Haro cymbals. Not that good of a seat, but it'll do for now. Leave it all. I'm gonna show you the inside, but oh well. Anyway, there's a screw in it, so that. And for the grand finale, I'm going to do the sound, because y'all probably want to hear the sound. Cassette. It is a cassette. That's pretty loud. Y'all can hear it right there. I'm ready to ride, so hold on.